velocity of rain. Here, rain falling slantwise now. It makes, look here now, look here. Rain falling slantwise now, look here. This rain makes an angle theta with the vertical. Okay? It rain makes an angle theta with the vertical. Here, look here now. Suppose the question is man moving eastward. In the rain umbrella concept, yesterday I discussed man moving east. Once again I repeat now. Man moving east. Here, look here now. This is east. This is west. This is north. This is south. In this situation, man moving eastward. Okay? But we assume opposite direction. Suppose man moving eastward, we take man moving westward. This is the situation. Okay? Actually, man moving eastward, but we assume man moving westward because of this motion is relative motion. Okay? One body compared to other body. Okay? This is the first vector final. This is the second vector initial. This is called relative velocity. This is denoted by Vrm bar. Okay? Look here. Here man speed is Vm1. Okay? Look here. Okay? Do you understand? Here rain falling slantwise. It makes an angle theta with vertical. Here man moving eastward. But I assume man moving westward. This is called appears rain. This is called real velocity of the rain. This is called appears rain. Here umbrella placed because to protect from rain. This angle is beta or alpha. Here alpha is angle made by umbrella to vertical. This total length I denoted by x. This is called y. Okay? In the diagram, what is the tan theta, Nana? What is the tan theta? Tan means this is the theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. What is the opposite side? X. What is the adjacent side? Y. Equation number 1. Okay? Mari, what is the tan alpha? Look here. What is the tan alpha? Tan means here this is the angle. This is opposite side. This is adjacent side. The adjacent side is y. Here to here. Here to here x. Here to here Vm1. Remaining is look here. X minus Vm1. Once again I repeat. Here to here 6. Here to here 3. ఇదేమవుతుంది 3 write as 6 minus 3 overall. Here to here 6. This will be 4. What about remaining? 2. 4 plus 2 6. Simply 2 write as 6 minus 4. Okay, this is the tan alpha formula. Here rain falling slantwise. Speed of the man increases if speed of the man increases to speed of the man increases to Vm2. If speed of the man increases to Vm2, okay, Vm1 నుంచి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది Vm2. In the situation, rain appears vertically downwards. Rain appears vertically downwards. Look the question. Actually, in the situation, actual rain falling slantwise. Okay, look here. Nana, this is vertical. It makes an angle theta. It makes an angle theta. This is the velocity of rain. But according to question, speed of the man increases to Vm2. In the situation, rain appears means relative velocity. Simply, velocity of rain with respect to man falling vertically downwards. Once again I repeat, rain appears means with respect to man. This is actual velocity of the rain. With respect to man is in motion, because of man is in motion, rain appears falling vertically downward. Appears rain is called velocity of rain with respect to man. ఇందాక మీరు దీన్ని ఏదో అన్నాను ఇందాక కేసులో, హియర్ టు హియర్ ఎంత x, హియర్ టు హియర్ ఎంత y. In the situation, what is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta equal to what side by what side? Opposite side by adjacent side. Simply x by y. Here, what is the x value? Vm2. What is the y value? Vrm. Okay? In the situation, look here. Further increases. Speed of the man further increases. Vm3. In the situation, rain appears, makes an angle beta, with vertical. Okay, look here. Actually, according to question, rain falling makes an angle theta with vertical. This is actual rain. Okay, here because of man is in motion, man moving east, we assume that will be taken as man moving west. Because of man, speed increases. Finally, it becomes Vm3. In the situation, rain appears means rain compared to man. Okay, look here. This is called velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, this makes an angle beta to the vertical. Here umbrella vertical తో ఎంత యాంగిల్ చేస్తుంది? బీటా. We know the situation. Here to here దీన్ని ఏదో అంటారు నాన్న x. Here to here దీన్ని ఏదో అంటారు, ఇది మ్యాన్ కదా, మ్యాన్ స్పీడ్ ఎంత? Vm3. Once again I repeat, here to here what is the man of the speed? Vm3. Here to here x. Vertical distance we know that y. In the situation, what is the tan theta? Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. What is the tan theta? X by y. Okay. What is the tan beta? Look the diagram. Look the diagram. What is the tan beta? Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Here adjacent side always y, no doubt. But what is the opposite side here? Here to here Vm3. Here to here x. Remaining is Vm3. Vm3 minus x. Vm3 minus x. Okay? Very important problem to man walking at the rate 3 km per hour. The rain appears. The rain appears to fall vertically. Okay, when he increased the speed, when he increases the speed to 6 km per hour and appears at an angle, appears at an angle 45 degrees to vertical. Okay, find angle made by rain. Find angle made by rain and its value. Find angle made by rain and its value. Per hour, the rain appears to fall vertically. Nana, actually in this situation, rain falling slantwise. Velocity of rain is here. In the situation, okay, here because of man is in motion, what is the velocity of the man? Velocity of the man is given 3 km per hour. In this situation, rain appears vertically downwards. This is velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay? Okay, Nana, look here. Nana, in the situation, this angle can be determined. Okay? This is the question. Next, Nana, when he increased the speed to 6 km per hour, simply here to here, 6 km per hour, this is Vm1, this is Vm2, 6 km per hour. In the situation, the rain appears, look here Nana, the rain appears, make some angle, this angle also given 45 degrees to the vertical. Nana, once again I repeat, speed of the man increases. In the situation, velocity of rain with respect to m1. Velocity of rain with respect to m2. This is here. Look here. In the first situation, with respect to m1, rainfall appears vertically downward. According to Vm2, rain falls makes an angle 45 degrees with vertical. In the question is find theta value. Adjacent side. This is the opposite side. Here 2, here 6. Here 2, here what? Here 2, here 3. Remaining is what? 3 by what is the adjacent side? VRM1. Tan 45 value 1. Neatly write VRM1 equal to 3. Equation number 1. Find this angle theta. This angle theta means this is the opposite side, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Again I write tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side is 3. Adjacent side also can be calculated 3. Simply 3 by 3 1. Once again I repeat, tan theta, what is the opposite side? VM1. What is the adjacent side? VRM1. VM1 value is given 3. VRM1 value is given 3. 1. When tan epudu 1 avutundi, theta becomes 45 degrees. Simply this angle is easily determined. Next, VR కనుక్కోము. ఈ theta ఇదే సైడ్ ఆపోజిట్, ఇదే సైడ్ హైపోటెన్యూస్. sin theta తీసుకోండి. sin theta equal to opposite side is 3, hypotenuse side is VR. Here this theta can be determined. Theta value 45, sin 45 value 1 by root 2 equal to 3 by VR. What is the VR value? 3 root 2. Very important notice now. First read question number 210 nana. Page number 210. In the page number 210, problem number 46. Kucho. A man is traveling. Velocity of man is given 10.8 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour write as 5 by 18 meter per second. Here it will be calculated 18.6 into 5, 3 meter per second. Here velocity of man. In the situation to determine velocity of the rain. Okay? Nana, this is the velocity of man, this is the velocity of rain. Umbrella to vertical with angle is given, theta value 37. Keyword in the problem, rain falling vertically downwards. Yesterday I discussed rain falling vertically downwards. What is the formula for rain falling vertically downwards? Tan theta formula. Vm by Vr. In the situation, theta value is given 37. We know that 37 triangle. This angle is 37, opposite 3, 4, 5. What is the tan 37? Opposite by adjacent. Simply write as 3 by 4 equal to, what is the Vm value? 3. Find VR. 3 what? Cancel. What is the final answer of VR? 4. Drops appears to him falling at 60 degrees from the horizontal from his front side. For example, here man is standing none. In the situation, rain appears to fall. Rain appears to fall. Here the angle is given 60 degrees. In the situation, man is stand. Simply man is at rest. There is no relative motion. So this is called velocity of rain. Okay? In the situation, man stand. Simply man rest. In the situation, this is called actual velocity of rain. Look the diagram. We know that this angle 90. Total angle is, angle of triangle is 180. This is 60, 90, automatically this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, in the situation man is in motion, look here to here move, here to here, velocity of the man is given. What value is given in the book? Velocity of the man is 5. In the situation this angle is given 30 degrees. Look here now. Sir, ఇటు వెళ్ళొచ్చుగా అంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఇటు వెళ్తేనే ఇక్కడ 30 అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా 60, ఇదేమవుతుంది 90. టోటల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉండాలి? 180. నైనా ఇన్ ద here we are resolve in this component. VR makes an angle, it is VR cos 30. Look here, VR, it is in XY plane, so resolved into two components. Angle says cos, remaining will be sin, VR sin 30. Same diagram I label, look here. This angle is 30 degrees. Here to here. In the physics, parallel is same. Parallel here. VR sin 30. Okay. Here to here. Vm value is given. Vm value is 5. Okay. Here to here. VR cos 30. Okay. Here now. Nana, according to diagram, this is theta. This side is opposite. This side is adjacent. What is the opposite by adjacent? Tan. Tan 30 equal to here. What is the opposite side? VR cos 30. What is the adjacent side? Harshavardhan. VM plus VR sin 30. Okay, here tan 30 in the mathematics 1 by root 3. The right side VR can be determined. Cos 30 value root 3 by 2. VM value 5. VR I don't know. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cross multiply here. Denominator other side, numerator 5 plus VR by 2 equal to VR into 3 by 2 plus other side minus 5 equal to 3 VR minus VR, 2 VR by 2. 2 to what? Cancel. What is the velocity of rain value? 5. This is the solution of the problem.